Are you ready to transform your streaming experience? In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how to use IPTV players to access your favorite content effortlessly. First, let's talk about the essentials. What is IPTV? IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, allowing you to stream live TV channels and on-demand content over the internet. Now, let's dive into the players themselves. One of the most popular choices is TiviMate. It's user-friendly and packed with features. To get started, download TiviMate from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and you'll be prompted to enter an M3U playlist URL. This URL is your gateway to countless channels. But where do you find a reliable M3U playlist? Websites like IPTV Resources can be great sources. Just remember to verify the source to avoid unreliable streams. After entering your playlist, you'll see channels loading instantly. It's that easy. Now, let's discuss Carbon Player, a modern alternative to Ultramedia Player. Download it from the App Store, and once installed, enter your M3U playlist as you did with TiviMate. Carbon Player offers a sleek interface and efficient performance. If you're looking for a lightweight option, this is it. What if you're on the go? The Web IPTV Player is a fantastic solution. With no installations required, just load your M3U8 link in your browser and start streaming instantly. It works seamlessly across all devices, whether you're using a smartphone or a PC. Next, let's explore some advanced features in TiviMate. You can schedule recordings, watch multiple channels at once, and even implement parental controls. These features make TiviMate stand out and enhance your viewing experience. As you use these players, be aware of common pitfalls. One mistake is ignoring network stability. A poor internet connection can lead to buffering and interruptions. Always ensure you're on a strong Wi-Fi signal. Additionally, if you encounter errors, don't panic. Most issues can be resolved by restarting the app or checking your internet connection. Now, if you want the best IPTV experience, consider checking out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider for reliable streams. The link is in the description. Finally, don't forget to explore user forums and communities for troubleshooting tips and new channel recommendations. The IPTV landscape is always evolving, and staying connected can enhance your experience. Thank you for watching this guide on IPTV players. I hope you found it informative. Remember, utilizing the right tools can make your streaming journey enjoyable. Happy watching!